Now, Hamid Ansari, who has been languishing in Pakistani jails for over 6 years, will be returning home today. 33-year-old Ansari is from Mumbai and has been under Pakistani custody since 2012 when he was illegally entered, in fact, the country from Afghanistan. Ansari reportedly went to Pakistan in order to meet a girl he had met online. He was sentenced to 3 years imprisonment for allegedly having a fake Pakistan ID. He was also labelled as an Indian spy. Ansari will be returning to India through the Wagah border crossing in Punjab. India Today has constantly been campaigning for Ansari's release.
There is a young Indian who is going to be, who has been in a Pakistani jail. He strayed into your country because he fell in love with a girl. December 16th, he is officially supposed to be released. India says that they've written 66 letters asking for consular access. His name is Hamid Ansari, sir. He's a I know his mother. She broke down twice in front of me last month. I request you, sir, to please look at his case as in as humane a manner as possible, sir.
Rajdeep, ये तो जो आपका तीसरा request है, वो तो इंशाल्लाह मैं अभी check करूँगा. This is the first I've heard of it. और इसके ऊपर तो इंशाल्लाह we'll do our best.
Days after India Today took up the issue with Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan, 33-year-old Hamid Nihal Ansari is reuniting with his family in India. Ansari, a Mumbai resident, was arrested by Pakistan's intelligence agencies in 2012 for alleged illegal entry into the country. Ansari had gone there to meet a girl whom he befriended over the internet. He had crossed over from Afghanistan. In December 2015, a military court sentenced him to 3-year imprisonment. As his jail term ends, the Pakistani authorities are repatriating him. Ansari's parents are relieved after getting the good news.
Many people in India and even in Pakistan, other side of border, people like Angel, otherwise I was not getting visa to go over there. But those people who are there and they helped us, I could have not done unless and until God would have chosen them to help me.
It is the Almighty's grace only and the power of Almighty that He at least could hear our voice, and now we are feeling very relaxed.
The prayers of Hamid's parents have been finally answered. However, there are hundreds like him who are languishing in Pakistan's jails. This is just one battle won. The government and civil society will be working for their release now. Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.